The Shelby Cobra is the purest expression of automotive desire ever created. No roof, no comfort, no compromise. Just a thundering V8, an aluminum body stretched over a simple tubular frame, and performance so raw that modern supercars still struggle to replicate the emotional intensity. Carroll Shelby took a tiny British roadster, stuffed an American V8 inside it, and created something so violent, so viscerally alive that it changed performance car history forever. Today, genuine Cobras are worth $1 million to $4 million, depending on specification and documentation. Even 289 powered cars command seven figures. Every serious collector considers owning one the ultimate automotive achievement. But here's the truth that nobody in the exotic car world will warn you about: owning a genuine 1966 Shelby Cobra is the most financially devastating, psychologically exhausting, and hobby-destroying experience in all of collector car ownership. The maintenance demands are savage, the legal complications are extraordinary, and the market dynamics surrounding fake Cobras have corrupted the entire collecting ecosystem in ways that make every transaction a gamble. Before we expose this reality, hit that subscribe button, because Garage History is about to reveal the darkest truth in American collector car history: the replica industrial complex. Let's start with what makes the Cobra market uniquely terrifying compared to every other collector car: the existence of an enormous, legitimate, legal replica industry that has produced more fake Cobras than real ones by a factor of hundreds. Shelby American built approximately 1,000 Cobras across all versions between 1962 and 1967. 1,000 genuine cars across 5 years of production. Yet conservative industry estimates suggest there are 50 to 60,000 Cobra replicas currently in existence worldwide. 50,000 replicas for 1,000 genuine cars. That ratio of 50 fakes for every real car creates a collector market unlike anything else in automotive history. Here's what makes this uniquely dangerous. Unlike counterfeit Mustangs or fake Chargers, where the replica is always an illegal fraud, many Cobra replicas were built legitimately by companies like Factory 5 Racing, Backdraft Racing, and dozens of others using legal kit car processes. These companies build beautiful, high-quality replicas that are legal to title and register. But when unscrupulous sellers add fake CSX serial numbers, fabricated Shelby American documentation, and invented provenance histories, these legal replicas transform into fraudulent collectibles worth 50 times their actual value. And because genuine Cobras and quality replicas are mechanically similar, same basic construction philosophy, similar period-correct components distinguishing real from fake, requires forensic examination that goes far deeper than visual inspection or mechanical evaluation. The CXX serial number fraud. The CXX serial number system, Shelby American's vehicle identification method, has become the most exploited authentication vulnerability in collector car history. Every genuine Cobra has a CSX number stamped on a small plate attached to the frame, and these numbers are the primary authentication tool for the entire market. Here's the nightmare. Genuine CSX plates from wrecked or destroyed Cobras have been harvested and transplanted onto replicas for decades. Fraudsters have fabricated CSX plates using period-correct materials and correct stamping equipment that produces virtually indistinguishable results from originals. The Shelby American registry, which should provide definitive authentication, has been compromised by fraudulent entries made decades ago when documentation standards were less rigorous. Some fraudulent CSX numbers have been in the official registry so long that challenging them requires overcoming institutional resistance from parties invested in maintaining the status quo. Authentic Cobra historians estimate that somewhere between 15% and 25% of cars currently listed in official registries with CSX documentation have questionable provenance numbers that were transplanted, fabricated, or assigned under circumstances that wouldn't meet current authentication standards. On a car worth $2 million, that uncertainty represents catastrophic financial risk that no due diligence process can completely eliminate. The 427 SC authentication terror. The most valuable Cobra variant, the 427 SC, or semi-competition, creates authentication terror so extreme that even the world's most experienced Cobra experts approach these cars with documented caution. Shelby American built approximately 31 genuine 427 SC Cobras. 31. Yet somehow, several hundred claimed SC Cobras exist in collections worldwide. The value differential driving this insanity is staggering. A genuine 427 Roadster is worth $1.5 million to $2.5 million. Converting a genuine 427 Roadster into a convincing SC requires sourcing correct SC-specific flared fenders, correct SC hood with functional vents, correct SC side exhausts, and correct SC suspension components, all available through legitimate reproduction suppliers, but assembled fraudulently to create fake SC identity. Proving genuine SC specification requires examining original factory build records that are incomplete, partially destroyed, and subject to interpretation disputes that generate endless expert disagreement costing thousands to pursue and rarely producing definitive conclusions. The maintenance brutality. Even if you own a genuine documented Cobra, the car itself becomes a maintenance nightmare that tests both mechanical knowledge and financial endurance simultaneously. The 427 side-oiler V8 that powers the most desirable Cobras was a race engine adapted for street use with minimal concession to comfort or longevity. These engines demand expert attention that the dwindling population of genuine big block Ford specialists can barely supply. The 427 side-oiler requires high-zinc racing oil formulations that modern passenger car oils don't provide. Running modern oil destroys the flat tappet camshaft. The Cobra's complete lack of chassis sophistication means it punishes driving errors with immediate, violent consequences. There are no safety systems, no electronic assists, no modern tires designed for the chassis geometry. Experienced Cobra drivers describe them as requiring constant attention and absolute respect cars that will kill you the moment concentration lapses. Track days in a genuine Cobra mean accepting both physical danger and the possibility of mechanical damage to a $2 million asset that no insurance policy adequately covers. The financial and legal catastrophe. Here's the nightmare that defines Cobra ownership at the highest level: a combination of financial exposure and legal complexity that makes every other collector car seem straightforward by comparison. Insurance on a properly valued $2 million Cobra costs $20,000 to $35,000 annually. But here's the terrifying reality: most insurance companies refuse to insure Cobras at full market value because the fraud rate is so high that they cannot confidently establish genuine market value for a specific car. Getting agreed value coverage requires independent appraisals from recognized Cobra specialists, and those appraisals are routinely challenged by insurance company adjusters who hire competing experts specifically to reduce settlement values. The legal landscape surrounding Cobra ownership has become extraordinarily complex following decades of intellectual property disputes between Carroll Shelby's estate, licensed continuation manufacturers, and replica builders. This dream car carries burdens that would test the wealthiest, most experienced collector alive. If this reality check changed how you see Cobra ownership, smash that like button and drop a comment. Does the truth about what ownership actually involves scare you away from the dream? Or does the legend of the Cobra still burn strong enough to make every terrifying challenge worthwhile? And if you want more honest truth about collector cars, more reality behind the myths, and more stories exposing what the exotic car world hides from buyers, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because garage history tells the truth nobody else will. Thanks for watching. And remember, the most legendary cars carry the heaviest burdens. Research obsessively, verify relentlessly, and never let desire override diligence. Until next time, stay informed and keep the history real.